Having worked in management consulting in firms like McKinsey and Accenture, having been part of a venture capital firm, and having also been an operative CEO in a growth company, it dawned upon me that strategy consulting as such is an oxymoron. An external party who works with everybody in the industry cannot help a company to create the unique strategy that has a competitive advantage and that helps the company to win. I think that was one of the core reasons why we thought we need a new kind of business model. So the thought was of creating a partnership model where both parties benefit, where both parties can grow together in an open and transparent way, and where the relationship in some sense is unique, geared towards the ultimate success of our clients. So that's how we started thinking about Reddal and business development as a service. Well, the first part of business development as a service, given that what our objective is to make our clients winners in their industry, it means that the relationship has to be a long-term, it has to be a dedicated service, we have to be exclusive to the clients. If we would be working with all the companies in the industry, we wouldn't be able to focus 100% on the client we're serving. The second part is that in order to be effective as advisors, we need to be fact-based, analytical, and we need to be very objective. That is the added value that we can bring to the client, giving them a broader perspective and outside-in view. The third part, which is important in our particular model, is that the client develops continuously. So this means we need to share all our knowledge with the client. We need to help them by training and improving their skills throughout the journey in order for them to continue growing. And that brings us into a win-win cycle where both parties are continuously striving to get higher in their skills and capabilities. And finally, I would add, it is important that our team is globally diverse. We work with all sizes of companies. We work across different cultures and all the different geographies. So it means that we need to have a broad skill set, so that our team can bring different perspectives to the various clients that we're working with at the same time. So there are two ways that we work with our clients. With some clients, we work on a continuous basis. We have a long-term plan, some goals, and we do regular monthly reviews, what we call sprint reviews. And we have a sprint plan where each month becomes an individual module that we seek to execute with the client. Typically, we work together with the client in a very integral way. The other approach is where we do more project-based, and there are breaks between the engagements. And in that case, it may look like a very typical consulting engagement, but again, the degree of collaboration and being together, as well as the long-term perspective on things, is different. To make our operations more effective, we also have a number of platforms that we use. One is Reddal Academy that provides a training platform where our clients can participate in the same kind of trainings that our in-house staff is getting. The other part is Reddal Engage, which is a way of sharing knowledge, documentation, methodologies, as well as monitoring the journey that we have together and how we are meeting the targets and what is actually happening week by week and month by month. We also have Reddal Insights, which is basically our latest knowledge development efforts, which are driven by Reddal practices. This is a way for us to develop state-of-the-art thinking in various fields where our clients need new thinking. So if you want to see what business development as a service could be for you, please let us know. We're happy to talk more and discuss how we can serve you and your company for future growth.